Hey there, fellow option trader. So you're thinking about profit and loss, huh? Aren't we all? It's important to know how much you could potentially make or lose on any type of trade. But options, they can be a bit tricky because their value is tied to an underlying security like a stock, an index, or even an exchange-traded fund. So it's really important to understand how the value of that security affects the potential for profit and loss on your trade. To make things easier, traders can use a tool called a profit and loss diagram. It shows what could happen to an option trade at expiration based on the price of the underlying security. Here's an example to help you visualize it. Let's say you buy a call option on a stock with a strike price of $10. The option contract costs $3 for a total cost of $300. Now keep in mind that this example doesn't include commissions or other fees. This is how that trade looks on a profit loss diagram. On the vertical axis, you have your potential for profit or loss, and on the horizontal axis, you have the price of the underlying security. See that line where the profit and loss are both zero? That's the break-even line. And this is the trade line, which shows you the profit or loss of your option at expiration for different prices of the underlying security. The lowest point in the line shows your maximum potential for loss. For this trade, that's $300. This happens when the underlying stock is trading at $10 or less because the option will expire worthless. Notice that the trade line never dips below a loss of $300, so no matter how low the stock goes, your maximum loss is limited to $300. On the other hand, the highest point on the line shows the maximum potential profit for the trade. And guess what? For this trade, the sky's the limit. Since the stock price can go up indefinitely, the potential profit in this example is unlimited. See where the trade line crosses the break-even line? That becomes your break-even point. In this trade, the break-even point occurs when the underlying stock is priced at $13. Now, we've shown you how to evaluate a trade using a profit-loss diagram, but here's the best part. Most trading platforms will generate these diagrams for you. No need to be a graphing guru. In WebBroker, just click on the option symbol from the option chain and boom, you'll see a profit-loss diagram for that option. That wraps up this lesson. Happy trading. Have more questions? Check out the links to the right and in the description below.